Thanks for checking out my channel. My name is Chris. I'm also known as GadgetUK or GadgetUK 164. I might drop the 164 at some point. My channel covers repairs and upgrades to all those classic computer and gaming systems that we all loved as kids. My electronics career started before I moved into software development. That's been the majority of my professional career. I started my channel around 2013, just after I got back into collecting some of these old systems, namely Amigas. But I was out the electronics repair industry for around 20 years. So the videos on my channel cover my experience and journey, I guess, collecting all this stuff, repairing it, upgrading it, learning from some mistakes and things as well on occasion. And in fact, I learn something myself usually on every video. Almost every single thing you'll see on my channel has been bought faulty and repaired. If you watch a video on this channel and it helps you fix your system, that is absolutely amazing, and that is what I'm aiming for. And if it leads to anyone considering a career in electronics, that is absolutely amazing. If you watch some of my videos and you think you couldn't possibly do it, you are incorrect. Anybody can do anything if you put your mind to it. You just need to be passionate about what you're doing and put lots of time and energy in and expect to make some mistakes. Learn from your mistakes, learn from my mistakes, and learn from other channels out there. There's plenty of channels covering the same content. The channel is primarily funded by Patreon after I lost my full-time job of 20 years back in 2019. So thanks ever so much to the community that continues to support me. I am super grateful, more than you could ever imagine. So please join me on my carpet as we repair and upgrade all these lovely systems. PS, don't really work from your carpet. Don't do as I do. There's lots of static electricity down there.
Wow.